friends, welcome to Krako's video series. Today I am here with 25 important biology questions that are helpful for your SSC, RRB and other bank examinations. In every government exam or any other exams which is having like general awareness as one of its section, the syllabus of general awareness is split into three parts, that is static, current, that is current affairs, and miscellaneous. In static we have two, social and science. Social consists of history, geography, polity, that is civics and economics, and in science we have physics, chemistry and biology. Under miscellaneous we have many topics like dams and rivers, rivers and tributaries, countries and currencies, national parks, and like so many lakes of India. We have so many parts like this. Krako is having PDFs of all these static GK, like miscellaneous GK. You can download this PDF and practice, learn these all and make a short note of this in a notebook so that it will be helpful for you before the examinations, because there are lot many things to remember. It doesn't happen in a week or in a day. Current affairs is like daily you have to practice current affairs, like that means daily you have to revise, maintain a like habit of reading newspaper every day, so that you will be in touch with current affairs. And today I am going to tell you like explain you 25 biology questions. In every exam you can expect at least 2 to 3 biology questions. So please do not skip biology. It is always fun to study these subjects because it would be like we are recalling the subjects and all the topics that we have studied till our 10th class. Let's see the first question. Before going into the video, I would like to explain you about our mock test that we are providing. We are providing mock tests for both SSC, CGL and CHSL for rupees 199 each. We are also providing 2 free mock tests for both the exams. Google search Krako SSC mocks so that you can find our website and enroll for these mocks for your better practice and best score. Let's see the first question. Which enzyme converts fats into glycerol and fatty acids? Lipase is the enzyme that converts fats into glycerol and fatty acids. Like lipase it hydrolyzes triglycerides into their component fatty acid and glycerol. Fatty acid and glycerol molecules. Let's see the next question. Who has presented the cell theory? Cell theory was presented by Skeldon and Swan in the year 1839. Let's see the next question. Which vitamin deficiency causes xerophthalmia? Vitamin A deficiency causes xerophthalmia. Xerophthalmia is a severe eye disease or eye disorder that occurs due to the deficiency of vitamin A. Which is the last phase of mitosis? The last phase of mitosis is called as telophase. Like what is mitosis? Mitosis is the process that happens in mitosis is the single cell divides into 2 daughter cells. Single cell divides into 2 daughter cells. This process is called as mitosis, and telophase is a stage at which the chromosomes reach the poles. Chromosomes reach poles, and telophase is followed by cytokinesis. Like cytokinesis is called as the division of cytoplasm or into 2 daughter cells. So here see, mitosis is division of single cell into 2 cells, and telophase is the last phase of mitosis where the chromosomes reaches poles, and telophase is followed by cytokinesis where like division of cytoplasm happens, like division of cytoplasm into 2 cells happens. Which non-nucleated cells in plant transport nutrients? Sieve cells in plants transport nutrients. Sieve cells are very uniform and have even distribution across the whole body. Like these cells doesn't have ribosomes. Like they lose their ribosomes, vacuoles, and nucleus at the stage of maturity. Let's see the next question. Through which process does a cell takes in solid particles by engulfing them? Through the process called as phagocytosis, cell takes in solid particles by engulfing them. The human body contains how much percentage of water? Human body contains 75% of water. Friends, Krakow is providing previous papers of SSC, CGL and CHSL. Please do visit our website krakow.in by Google searching Krakow SSC previous papers and download these papers for your better practice and best score. Which of the following aquatic animals does not have gills? Whale does not have gills, and also dolphins also does not have gills. In coriander, the useful parts are leaves and dried seeds. Leaves we use in like when we prepare curries, and dried seeds we make it powder, that is called as coriander powder, or normally we call it as dhania powder. Diabetes is a condition in which the level of dash in an individual's blood becomes too high. The level of glucose in an individual blood becomes too high, and like the level of, we can say this as blood sugar or blood glucose. The process of blood clotting is called as coagulation. This turns blood from liquid stage to gel, like gel form or stage. Which of the following helps in blood clotting? Vitamin K helps in blood clotting. Let's see the next question. What is the name of the first mammal clone or sheep? The name of the first mammal clone or sheep is Dolly. It was successfully cloned from adult cells. It was cloned in Roslin Institute, which is located in Scotland, and this cloned lamb was named as Dolly after a singer and actress Dolly Parton. Friends, Krakow is providing SSC CGL mocks for ₹199. Please do visit our website krakow.in and enroll for these mocks for better practice and best score. We are also providing 2 free mocks. Please do take these mocks. You can Google search Krakow SSC mocks so that you will directly go to our website. So from there you can enroll for these mocks. If grass is eaten by grasshopper, which in turn is eaten by toad, which is in turn eaten by a snake, and this cycle goes on, what is this cycle example of? This cycle is an example of food chain. Let's see the next question. What is the arrangement of sepals and petals in a flower bud called as? The arrangement of sepals and petals in a flower bud is called as estivation. This is also called as prefoliation. Let's see the next question. In sickle cell anemia patients, which substance is substituted by valine in the beta globin chain of hemoglobin molecule? Glutamic acid is substituted by valine. Glutamic acid is alpha amino acid. Its formula is C5H9NO4. Let's see the next question. Notochord is absent in. Notochord, like what is a notochord? Notochord is a cartilaginous skeletal rod supporting the body in all embryonic and some adult chordate animals. It is absent in non-chordate. Because the definition says it supports in all the chordate animals, therefore it is absent in non-chordates. Let's see the next question. Which animals exhibit bilateral symmetry? Annelids exhibit bilateral symmetry. Annelids are mostly like we find them mostly in wet environments. Examples of annelids are flatworm, earthworm, clam, and also snail. Which organ is affected by cholera? The bacteria, that is Vibrio cholera, it affects small intestine. What does this do is, this toxin causes the body to secrete enormous amount of liquid in the form of diarrhea, so that it creates the loss of fluids and salts. Friends, Krakow is providing SSC CHSL mocks for rupees 199. We are also providing 2 free mocks. Google search Krakow SSC mocks, and so that you find SSC CHSL and CGL mocks. Please enroll for these mocks for your better practice and best score. The meiosis process produces. Let's see what is meiosis. Meiosis is a type of division that reduces the number of plant cells in the plant. Like that reduces the number of chromosomes in the plant cells by half and produces 4 gamete cells. So it reduces chromosomes in the plant cell by half and produces 4 gamete cells called as 4 haploid cells. Let's see the next question. Which gland secretes melatonin? Melatonin is secreted by pineal gland. Pineal gland is also called as seat of the soul. Let's see the next question. What is the process of production of ovum in the female called as? The process of production of ovum in the female is called as oogenesis. This happens in ovaries. Organ that helps in preventing entering of swallowed food into lungs is, it is epiglottis. It prevents entering of swallowed food into lungs. The density of water is maximum at, the density of water is maximum at 4 degrees centigrade. It is correctly maximum at 3.98 degrees centigrade. Let's see the next question, that is the last question. What is the number of mitochondria in a bacterial cell? Like bacteria has no membrane bound nucleus and it rarely has membrane bound organelles. Therefore, it has 0 mitochondria in a bacterial cell. Hope you liked the video. Please do like, share, subscribe and comment on the video and hit the bell icon for instant notification. For any queries and any suggestions regarding the video, you can type it in the comment section. And please, I am telling you again and again, please do make a short note of these questions so that it will be helpful for you to revise before your examination. Thank you for watching.